flag of convenience and just retired plus any other two Italian flag Roro European waters to Embark. Please apply urgently because we are needing, for example, if you are just retired and you need some extra months because they told you the pension would be this, but of course not that they were going to print so much money every year that the money that they promised you really is worth nothing, and in 3 years time it will be worth even less, zero, like a Kleenex. Therefore, if you want to have a mini job and apply this Roro's 2,150 euros Italian flag net, then 7,000 euros as an engineer, 4,800 is the third engineer, at 5,000 euros. Perhaps we can help you with this situation if you are just retiring or if you are flag of convenience ships and you don't have social security, you wish to have that and add that. We are talking to these social security governments to find out how to get out of pension, then back to the pension, how to complement the retirement in Italy to Spain. But anyway, talking to these people is like talking to stones because they just occupy buildings and that's all they do. But meanwhile, here we have this huge opportunity for you because we are just going to Croatia, going to Spain, to Portugal, going to France, going to everywhere in Europe that there are seafarers available to get these positions because the new youngsters don't want to go on board ships and the opportunities are here to stay. We're talking about some 500 jobs. Yes, dear politicians, this is serious business because it's just to start the point, the tip of the iceberg, because we could go towards 4 million seafarers in the planet and take away what they copied in India and Philippines but many years ago. But perhaps we don't have any wish to really give jobs, but we pay people for not working in Europe. Although if you are one of those like me that love and have a passion for the sea and really want to provide jobs for everybody everywhere, these ships are 37,000 tons, 67,000 tons Italian flag, state of the art, very big. The biggest Roro ship owner is European and therefore is also our family like Candina. So why don't you apply crew inspector and we all push this company to new limits. Thank you very much indeed. Bye. Arrivederci.